Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are staying safe at home and are fit and fine. As you all know students, that due to some technical issues in Google Meet, we are not able to conduct our live session. But students, we have recorded the video for you, so you have to go through this video very carefully. Okay? So students, as you all know that in yesterday class we have started with a subtraction concept, and we have done exercise number 10, which is based on subtraction without borrowing. So today we will be doing exercise number 11, which is based on the subtraction with borrowing. Okay, so let us start with the questions. So first students, we will be doing the book work. We have to start with the question number 7. So let me write question for you and then we will solve that question. Okay students. So question number 7 is 162903, and we have to subtract 78864 from the given number. Okay, so first one they have given you, that is 1,62,903, and second one they have given you 78,864. So we have to subtract them. So as you all know that we will be starting from our right hand side. So here students, you can see that the minuend, here it is 3 and subtrahend it is 4. Okay, the very first digit is 3 and very first digit is 4. So what we are going to do, we can't subtract 4 from 3 because 4 is greater than 3. So obviously students, we will start borrowing. Okay, so you can see the previous number, this number is 0. So again we can't borrow any number from 0. So we will be borrowing the number from 9. So 9, it will become 8. Okay, then we will give 1 to the 0. 0 will become 10. Okay, but when we will switch on one number and give to 3, it will become 13. And this 10 will become 9. Okay, so 13 minus 9, 13 you have to subtract from 4. 13 minus 4 will be equal to 9. 9 minus 6 will be equal to 3. 8 minus 8 will be equal to 0. Okay, so again you can see this number is 2 and here we are having 8. So again we have to borrow the number. So this time we will borrow the number from 6. So 6 will become 5 and this 2 will become 12. Okay, so 12 minus 8 will be equal to 4. Again you can see here it is 5. So we can't subtract 7 from 5. Again we will borrow. So we will borrow from 1. 1 will become 0 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 7 will be equal to 8 and here 0 minus nothing will be equal to 0. Hence our answer is 84,039. So I hope this thing is clear to everyone, how we have to do the subtraction with borrowing. Let us switch on to the next question, that is question number 8. Question number 8 is, again they have given you 2,31,207. This is our minuend, and subtrahend they have given you, that is 8,989. So again students, we have to subtract. So you can see again this 9 is greater than 7. So we will start borrowing. So we will borrow from 2. 2 we will become it 11. This 0 will become 10 first, and then when we will give this number to 1 number to 7, it will become 17 and this 10 will become 9. So 17 minus 9 will be equal to 8. 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1. 11 minus 9 will be equal to 2. Okay, again you can see 8 is greater than 1. So we will borrow from 3. 3 will become 2. This 1 will become 11. So start subtracting. 11 minus 8 will be equal to 2. 2, we are not having any number in our subtrahend part. So again 2 minus 0 will be equal to 2. And here you will copy down 2 as it is. So our answer is 22,280. Okay. Now let us see the next one question. So next one is question number 9. Okay. Question number 9 is 72,000 they have given you as minuend, and subtrahend part is 39,877. Okay. So we have to subtract them now. So you can see the very first number, that is 0. So we can't subtract 7 from 0. So you have to start borrowing. So here this time we will borrow from 2. 2 will become 11. This 0 will become 10. Then when you will give one number to this 0, it will become 9. And now this 0 will become 10. Again you have to switch on to this number. So it will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 7, it will be equal to 3. 9 minus 7, it will be equal to 2. 9 minus 8, it will be equal to 1. Okay. Now again you can see 11 minus 9, it will be equal to 2. Because we have took one number from this 7, it will become 6 and it will become 11. And 6 minus 3 will be equal to 3. So hence our answer is 32,123. Okay students. So I hope all these three parts are well clear to you. Now let us do the next one, that is 10th one. Now let us do question number 10. Question number 10 is 6,05,000. 6,05,000. Now let us do question number 10 students. Question number 10 is 60,500 and subtrahend is 48,764. Okay. So again you can see students, here it is 0, here it is 4. So you will borrow from 5. 5 will become 4. This 0 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4, it will be equal to 6. 9 minus 6, it will be equal to 3. Here it is 4. So we will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. This 0 will become 9 and this 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 7 will be equal to 7. 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1. And 5 minus 4 will be equal to 1. So hence our answer is 11,736. Okay students. Now let us see next question, that is question number 11. Question number 11 is 20,400 they have given you as minuend and subtrahend is 8,726. Okay. So again we have to subtract them. So this time students, again here it is 0, here it is 6. So we will borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. This 0 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 6, it will be equal to 4. 9 minus 2, it will be equal to 7. Now here it is 3. We can't subtract 7 from 3. So again we have to borrow. So this time we will borrow from 2. 2 will become 1. This 0 will become 9. And this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 7, it will be equal to 6. 9 minus 8, it will be equal to 1. And 1 minus 0, again it will be equal to 1. So our answer is 11,674. Okay. Now let us do next question, that is question number 12. They have given you now, that is first one minuend is 2 lakh. And subtrahend they have given you 69,561. Okay. Now start subtracting. Again you can see here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 0, here it is 0 and here it is 0. So this time we will borrow from 2. 2 will become 1. This 0 will become 9. Again this 0 will become 9. This one become 9. This one become 9. And this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 1 will be equal to 9. 9 minus 6 will be equal to 3. 9 minus 5 will be equal to 4. 9 minus 9 will be equal to 0. 9 minus 6 will be equal to 3. And 1 you will copy down as it is. So hence our answer is 1,30,439. Okay students. So we have done all the book part. 7 to question number 12 we have done. Rest of the part from question number 1 to 6 you have to do in your book, in your homework. Okay. Now students, let us start with the copy work. So question number 13. Okay. You can see here, write in columns and find the difference. Okay. So you have to now write them in columns and then you have to find the difference. Column means you will be writing them under the place value chart. So we will be starting with question number 15. Okay. Question number 15 is 26,000 minus 19,425. Okay. So 26,000 is minuend and 19,425 is subtrahend. So first they have asked to just write them under the columns. So we will be writing here place value chart first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Write 26,000. Then here we will write 19,425. Now we have to start subtraction. So here you can see it is 0. So we have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 9. And this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5 it will be equal to 5. 9 minus 2 it will be equal to 7. 9 minus 4 it will be equal to 5. Here again you can see 5 is here. So we will borrow from this 2. 2 will become 1 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 9 it will be equal to 6 and 1 minus 1 it will be equal to 0. So hence our answer is 6,575. Okay students. I hope this question number 15 is well clear to everyone. Now let us do question number 16. So students, our question number 16 is, they have given you 1,23,405. You have to subtract 69,547 from the given number. Okay. Again students, we will be writing the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Arrange the number under the given place value chart. First we will be writing the minuend and under that you will be writing the subtrahend part. Now start subtracting. Okay. Here you can see, here it is 5, here it is 7. So again 7 is greater than 5, so we will borrow the number. So this time we will borrow the number from 4. 4 will become 3, this 0 will become 9 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 7 it will be equal to 8. 9 minus 4 it will be equal to 5. Here it is 3. Again 5 is greater than 3, so you will borrow the number. This time you will borrow the number from this 3. This 3 will become 2 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 5 it will be equal to 8. Again you can see you can't subtract 9 from 2. Again you have to borrow. So this time you will borrow from this 2. This will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 9 it will be equal to 3. Again we can't subtract 6 from 1. We will borrow from this one. This one will become 0 and this one will become 11. So 11 minus 6 will be equal to 5. Hence our answer is 53,858. Okay students. Now let us read question number 19 students. Question number 19 is that you have to subtract 98,567 from 1,11,111. So they have given you the word from. It means this is the subtrahend and now this is the minuend. You have to subtract the subtrahend from the minuend only. So here our subtrahend this one part and minuend this one part. Okay. So in the same manner we will be doing subtraction. So let me copy down the question for you. First one, this is 19th one. We will write the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. Here it is 1,11,111 and minuend they have given you this one and this is subtrahend 98,567. Now start subtracting. So we will be seeing over here again that here 7 is greater than 1. So you will borrow from this one. So it will become 0 and it will become 11. 11 minus 7 it will be equal to 4. Now again it is 0. We will borrow from this one. It will become 0. It will become 10. So 10 minus 6 it will be equal to 4. Again we will borrow from this one. It will become 0 and it will become 10. 10 minus 5 will be equal to 5. Again we will borrow, it will become 0 and it will become 10. 10 minus 8 will be equal to 2. Here it will become 0 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 9 it will be equal to 1. 0 minus 0 will be 0 only. So hence our answer is 12,540. Okay. Okay students, so now let us do question number 21. So question number 21 is find the difference between 37,608 and 51,007. Okay. Okay students. So question number 21. Let me write for you. So again you will be writing place value chart as ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay. So they have given you 51,007. And subtrahend they have given you 37,608. You have to now subtract them. Again you can see it is greater than 7. So here this will borrow from this 1. This will become 10. This 0 will become 9. This 0 will become 9. And this 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 8 it will become 9. 9 minus 0 will be equal to 9. 9 minus 6 it will be equal to 3. 10 minus 7 it will be equal to 3. And here we are having 5. So it will become 4. 4 minus 3 it will be equal to 1. So our answer is 13,399. Now let us see question number 23 students. Question number 23 is subtract the sum of 35,628 and 78,756 from 1,23,070. It means students, first you have to add these two groups and then the answer which you are obtaining after adding, you have to subtract that answer from the given part. That is 1,23,070. Okay. So first we will be adding them. So here we will write sum because we have to first find out the sum. Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Okay. The question is 35,628 and they have given you next that is 78,756. So first you have to find the sum. It means you have to add them. 8 plus 6 that will be equal to 14. 4 here 1 carry. 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 here 1 carry. Then we have 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. 4 here, 1 carry. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. So hence our sum is 1,14,384. Now this sum you have to subtract from the given part, that is 1,23,070. Okay. So now next step we are going to find the difference. Again we will be writing the place value chart as ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and lakh. So first one you will be writing 1,23,070 and under that you will be writing 1,14,384. Now start subtracting them. 4 is greater than 0, so you will borrow. 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 4, it will be equal to 6. Here it is 6. So you will borrow from this 3. 3 will become 2. This 0 will become 9 and this 1 will become 16. So 16 minus 8, it will be equal to 8. 9 minus 3, it will be equal to 6. Here again you can see 4 is greater than 2. So you will borrow from this 2. This 2 will become 1 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4, it will be equal to 8. 1 minus 1, it will be equal to 0 and 1 minus 1, it will be equal to 0. Hence our answer is 8,686. Now let us read next question, that is question number 25. So question number 25, A part we will be doing. So that is 16,000 you have to subtract from 5 10,000s. Okay. So again first you will be writing the place value chart and then you will be adjusting the values. Okay. So 25 question A part is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So they have given you that 16,000 you have to subtract from 5 10,000s. 5 10,000 means it will be equal to 50,000 and 16,000 they have given you. So you have to now subtract them. 0 minus 0 it will be 0. 0 minus 0 it will be 0. 0 minus 0 it will be 0. Here it is 5. 5 will become 4 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 6 it will be equal to 4 and 4 minus 1 it will be equal to 3. Hence our answer is 34,000. Okay. So same we will be doing one more part. Let us see the question first. We will be doing C1 part. Question is 16 lakhs 19,000 you have to subtract from 34 lakhs. So you will be writing 34 lakh first, that is our minuend, and 16 lakhs 19,000 it is our subtrahend part. Okay. So let me write the question for you first. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. So they have given you 34 lakh. So first you will be writing here 34 lakh. And then they have given you 16 lakh 19,000. Again you have to subtract. 0 minus 0 it will be equal to 0. 0 minus 0 it will be equal to 0. 0 minus 0 it will be equal to 0. Now here it is 9, here it is 0. So this time we will borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. This 0 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. 10 minus 9 it will be equal to 1. 9 minus 1 it will be equal to 8. Here we are having 3 and here we are having 6. Again we will borrow. So this time we will borrow from this 3. It will become 2 and this will become 1. So 13 minus 6 it will be equal to 7 and 2 minus 1 it will be equal to 1. So hence our answer is 17,81,000. Okay. Now let us see next question. Now we will be doing question number 27. So first let us read question. Question number 27 is, what number should be added to 37,654 to get the result as 1 lakh? Means what number we should add in this value so that our answer is 1 lakh. Okay, so let me show you how you have to do. So we shall add, or we should add this. We have to find out. They have given you here 1 lakh, and what number should be added to 37,654? It means what number we are going to add in this so that the resultant is this one. So it's better, what we can do, simply we can subtract this part from this, so the remaining part we should add in 1 lakh. So again start doing subtraction. Here it is 0, here it is 4, so we will borrow from this 1. This will become 0, this will become 9, 9, 9, 9, and here 10. 10 minus 4, it will be equal to 6. 9 minus 5, it will be equal to 4. 9 minus 6, it will be equal to 3. 9 minus 7, it will be equal to 2. 9 minus 3, it will be equal to 6. And 0 minus nothing will be equal to 0. Hence, we should add 62,346 in 37,654 so that our resultant is 1 lakh. Okay, I think this question is also clear to everyone. Now let us do the last one question, that is question number 28. First let us read the question. Question number 28 is, what number should be subtracted from 22,222 to get the answer as 9,999? Okay, so again we will be doing the same question with that pattern only. So hence we should subtract this. We have to find out. They have given you the number should be subtracted from 22,222 so that our resultant is 9,999. Okay, let us start solving this one. Here it is 2, here it is 9. Again 9 is greater than 2. You will borrow from this 2. It will become 1 and it will become 12. 12 minus 9, it will be to 3. Now you will borrow from this one. It will become 1. It will become 11. 11 minus 9 will be equal to 2. Again it will become 1. It will become 11. 11 minus 9, again 2. It will become 1 and it will become 11. 11 minus 9, again 2. And here 1 minus 0 is it? 1. So 12,223 is that number which should be subtracted from 22,222 to get our answer as 9,999. Okay students, so we have completed with exercise number 11. Let me discuss the homework parts with you. So you can note it down very carefully. So from the book work, homework parts, in book the parts which you have to do, that is from question number 1 to 6. Okay, and in copy the parts which you have to do, those are question number 13, 17, 21, 24 and 25 B part. Okay students, so thank you so much students. Complete your work on time in a very neat and clean handwriting and submit me your work to me on time. Thank you so much students. Have a very lovely day.